Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to share with you this makeup look. You can see this makeup look is so beautiful and it is very wearable and it is very less time consuming. You can literally create this makeup look within 10 minutes, not more than that. And I've used all affordable and budget friendly makeup products so that anyone can recreate this. So personally also I always love to use affordable products, and if affordable products are working so beautifully and they give such type of gorgeous and glamorous look, then why to go for very high-end products? So that is what I believe. You can accessorize this look with any of your favorite jewelry, any heavy jhumka or such type of earrings. It gives such an ethnic vibe and it looks so beautiful, so pretty. I have also created another look for Raksha Bandhan with a green glittery eye makeup, and it turned out so beautiful. So if you haven't watched that video, then I will give the link in the description box. Please watch that video as well. So coming to this makeup look, today I have used a very affordable eyeshadow palette, and that is this one. This is SFR Color Dreamy 15 Baked Eyeshadow Palette, and this is my recent purchase. I have shown you in one of my haul videos, and it is very affordable as well. As you all must be knowing this brand SFR Color, it is very affordable. And this palette also I have taken from Flipkart on a very good discount. I have got this palette for rupees 305 only from Flipkart. So I'll also give the link of this palette in the description box. If you want to buy, then definitely check it out. It's a very good palette, and literally I'm so much surprised with the pigmentation of this palette and the quality of these eyeshadows. And this palette packaging is also so beautiful, so gorgeous, and this is a magnetic sort of closure, you can see. So first I'm going to give a mini review of this palette. So if any one of you is not interested in review of this palette, then you can definitely skip to the makeup tutorial. I will give the timestamp somewhere here on the top, so you can directly skip to the makeup tutorial and see how I created this makeup look. So you can see the shades. There are so many type of shades given in this palette, and this is a grayish black sort of shade. There's a peachy sort of shade over here. There are lots of pinks and goldens given in this palette. There's a bronzy shade over here, and I have used this shade on my eyelid. You can see it is such a beautiful shade. This is a bronze sort of shade over here, and this is a very light pink sort of shade. I hope the camera is picking. And this is a golden sort of, and this is a very beautiful highlighter. It is silver. It looks like silver, but it has a little bit of golden reflex, so it looks so beautiful as a highlighter. And this one only I've applied on my face as highlighter. This palette is also very versatile. You can use it in multi-purpose ways. You can use it as a blush, as eyeshadow, as highlighter. There's also a very good mirror given, so if you want to do your makeup, you can definitely use the mirror over here that is given in this palette to do your makeup. And also I wanted to tell other details. There is paraben in this product, so if any one of you is having issues with paraben, then please don't take this palette. You'll be getting 5 years of shelf life in this product, which is a pretty long period to use this product, which I liked. And this is a cruelty free brand, and this product is made in PRC. Coming to the pigmentation is bang on. The pigmentation is very good. So friends, I thought of sharing a close-up of this palette with you so that you can see the shades properly. So you can see the shades, how they look. They are so pretty, so gorgeous, and you can see the sheen, the shine in these shades. So there are altogether 15 eyeshadows, and the pan size is also very big, you can see. So this is the first row. So I'll be swatching it over here and I'll be showing you the pigmentation. So friends, you can see the pigmentation of these 5 shades. They look so pretty, so gorgeous. They're so shimmery and metallic. So definitely you can take this palette for parties, weddings, to create any festive eye makeup look. It will look so gorgeous, so beautiful. So you can create both daytime and nighttime looks using this palette. So you can see the pigmentation of these 5 shades as well. I will also swatch the last row, this row. You can see these 5 shades. Wow. Palette for the price, and it is really a good investment of money. So I highly recommend to you all.
So first I'm going to prep my face for makeup, and I'm going to do a little bit of skincare. I'm taking this toner from Alps Goodness aloe vera toner, and after that I'm taking this Pond's Ultralight gel, and I'm applying this on my face to moisturize my face, and along with that it will also act as a primer, so I'm not taking a separate primer. In this makeup tutorial I am taking Lakme CC cream in the shade beige. This is my favorite CC cream, and it gives such a good coverage, you can see, and it blends effortlessly and gives such a good coverage and looks so natural, so beautiful. And for daytime looks I usually prefer this CC cream, and it blends so good, you can see. And also I'll be concealing with the same CC cream. I'm not taking a separate concealer to conceal my dark circles and my usual places. So I'm blending it well, you can see. And it also conceals very perfectly. My dark circles are not at all visible after applying this CC cream, you can see. So now I'm setting my makeup using Lakme Rose Powder in the shade soft pink, and it is also a very good powder, and it is very budget friendly. So I am also baking my under eyes using the same powder, so that if there will be any fallout from the eyeshadows, I can dust it up and I can clean it. Now I'm taking this Sivana Colors Ultra Blush palette in the shade 01, and I'm contouring my face by using the same contouring shade that is given in this palette, and I'm contouring my hollows of my cheeks, jawline, my nose. So contouring gives a very good structure and dimension to face, and also it gives a warmth to face. So after application of foundation and CC cream, our face looks very flat. So after contouring, that warmth comes back and our face looks so beautiful. So you can see I've contoured my face. Now I'm taking the pink shade from this palette, the shade that I have shown, and I'm using it as a blush, and you can see it's so pigmented and it looks so pretty, so gorgeous, and it has a little bit of sheen. So on top of this, you can also skip without applying any highlighter, but I will also top it off with a little bit of highlighter because I just love highlighter. So now I'm applying this shade, this silvery sort of shade with a little bit of golden reflex, and I'm applying it on the highest points of my face as a highlighter, you can see. And it looks so pretty, it is very well pigmented, and it looks so pretty, so beautiful. Now I'm highlighting my bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, my usual places, and you can see. So now I'm taking this Hilary Rhoda eyebrow kit in the shade 03, and I'm using it to fill my eyebrows. You can see I'm combing my eyebrow. And now I'm taking this bronzy sort of shade from this palette, and I'm using this shade on my whole eyelid, you can see. So this eye look is very easy to achieve, and it is very less time consuming. Just you need to pat this shade on your whole eyelids. So I am blending this shade, the edges, with the help of a blending brush, as you can see, and also taking the same shade to my lower lash line. Now I'm taking this grayish black sort of shade with a small blending brush, and I'm depositing this color on the outer V of my eyelid, you can see, and I'm blending it really well. So this is a very easy look. It is it will take some 1 to 2 minutes to achieve, and you can see it looks so pretty. So again I'm patting the same bronzy shade on my eyelid to intensify a little bit. Now I'm taking this blue eyeliner from NY Bay. This is in the shade blue, and this is from the NY Bay Shakti collection. It's a very pretty shade. Now I'm applying a kajal. This is from Stay Quirky, and I'm applying it on my waterline, and I'm tight lining. Now I'm removing this bake from my under eyes, and you can see my under eyes look so brightened up. Now I'm taking this mascara from Maybelline, and this is the Hyper Curl mascara in the washable variant, and it's a very good mascara. It gives really very good volume, and I'm not using falsies in this look because I want to keep it very easy. And now I'm taking this lipstick from Purple, and this is the Purple Ultra HD lipstick in the shade 13. It's a very beautiful shade, you can see. Now I'm taking this makeup fixer from NY Bay, and I am setting my makeup well. This is also very good product, and you can see my makeup look. Now I'll be back. So friends, I am back. So I hope you like this makeup tutorial. So if you like this makeup tutorial, then please give it lots of love by liking it and also sharing with your friends. And also, to see more such amazing videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and love you all.